Casio is a Japanese multinational electronics manufacturing corporation headquartered in Shibuya, Tokyo, Japan. Its products include calculators, mobile phones, digital cameras, electronic musical instruments, and analog and digital watches. It was founded in 1946, and in 1957 introduced the first entirely compact electronic calculator. In 1995, the release of the PH100 marked Casio's first venture into the PHS mobile phone market. Casio's first mobile phone, the C303CA, released in 2000, gained popularity especially among young people, because it could be used with confidence in the rain, or under other harsh conditions found in everyday life. Most phones released by Casio were intended for the Japanese market, as well as some models for the American operator Verizon. We will show you the evolution of these devices in this video. Casio phones evolution from 1995 to 2013. 1995. PHS PH100. 2000. C303CA. C311CA. 2001. C409CA. C452CA. 2002. A 3012CA. A 5302CA. 2003. A 5401CA. A 5401CA2. A 5403CA. 2004. W21CA. A 5406CA. A 5407CA. 2005. W21CA2. W31CA. A 5512CA. GZ1 type are a 5513CA. Canu 502S. 2006. W41CA. W42CA. W43CA. E03CA. GZ1 Type 5 C511. 2007. W51CA. W52CA. Exelum W53CA. GZ1 Type S. (2008) GZ1 Boulder. Exelim C721. W61CA. GZ1 W62CA. Exelim W63CA. SoftBank 830CA. (2009) SoftBank 930CA. GZ1 Rock. CA001. GZ1 CA002. Exelum CA003. Exelum CA004. (2010) Exelum CA005. Exelum CA006. GZ1 Brigade. GZ1 Type X. GZ1 Ravine. (2011) CA01C. CA007. GZ1 IS11CA. GZ1 Ravine 2. GZ1 Commando. (2012) GZ1 Type L Cal 21. (2013) GZ1 CA201L Commando for GLTE. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe to the channel.